Hey, so check it out. Here's kind of a forgotten engine that I bought at the Hamburg train show up near Buffalo Bill Stadium not too long ago. It was in a bunch of my other parts and things, and it was pretty beat up, so I think I only paid like $5 for it. There's a lot of zinc pest here and missing paint. The headlight lens was trashed. The steam chest was bent, and so the motor wasn't even sitting in there properly. And so I pulled the motor out, and I cleaned up the wheels. I straightened the steam chest. I also polished the pickup shoe and lubricated the armature and everything. And then I drilled out the old headlight lens. I started feeling kind of sorry for it. I was just going to use it for projects because I wanted the front pilot wheels. And then I decided, let's see what I could do to spruce it up. I figured I'd just spend a few minutes on it. So I got out my Model Masters flat black and used a paintbrush and just touched up everything after I just kind of sanded it a little bit. And then I used Armor All to give it the same shine that Marx did. In some areas I actually used some micro gloss. So I got it looking pretty good. I put a new headlight lens in it, the same lens that the E7 uses. You can buy them from Robert Grossman, and straighten everything out. Got it running pretty good. The reverse unit cycles really nicely in it. And so I got out my Polar Express. These are like the miniature ready to play. They run on O-scale track right out of the box from Lionel. The locomotive had a sound system in it, so I tore it out of it because I had to buy an extra one to get an extra car. I wish Lionel would offer those cars, especially the coaches, so that you didn't have to do that, because a lot of us like to run them with these our little Marx engines. But I put the sound system in the tender so that I could use it. And it's also got Tom Hanks doing his thing. So I thought we'd turn it on, I thought we'd run it, and here we go. Yep. And we'll pick the camera up, follow it around a little bit. And put the camera back down. All right. Runs really good. I think it looks pretty nice. Hey, for $5, and I think I've got maybe $1.50 in the headlight. Let me turn Tom Hanks off here. And so I don't have a whole lot invested in it, and so you don't have to really do a whole lot to spruce these little engines up. A lot of them are worth saving. And this particular one, I almost forgot to mention, has a hole right in the smokestack, because Marx had let me show you. Marx at one time had planned on putting a smoke unit in these. And of course, I've used 1666 motors on them to do it. But anyway, thanks again for watching. Hey, have a Merry Christmas, God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.